Precision tooling, control systems and other new technologies, together with waste recycling, industrial utilization of plastics or handling techniques, this is just a narrow selection of the wide offer of the exhibitors who are presenting themselves at the fairs For Industry, For Waste and For Logistics 2008 at the Letňany Exhibition Centre in Prague between April the 15th and April the 17th. At that time, the Letňany Exhibition Centre was transformed into a significant trade junction, which offered the exhibitors and the vast number of this field's professional spectators enough space for meetings during presentations of all the mentioned industrial branches. The ABF Trade Fair Administration officials then employed a special fair section for the producers and subcontractors from the automotive industry, which has had a long-standing tradition in our country. This fact was also confirmed during the opening ceremony by the rector of Czech Technical University in Prague, the traditional professional guarantee of Prague engineering trade fairs. In terms of engineering, all the fields connected with the automotive industry, which represents the largest segment of our economy, are undoubtedly prospective. We have a research centre which helps with the development of both new engines and chassis of new vehicles. Thus, these constructing fields find themselves among the sunrise industries. All the affairs connected with biomedical engineering, bones or joint substitutes and the like also are among the rapidly booming engineering fields.
Spojené s náhradami kostí, kloubů a podobně.
On the occasion of the three fairs, For Industry, For Logistics and For Waste, the ABF Trade Fair Administration held the best exhibit contest called Grand Prix. On the first day of the fair, a special commission under the direction of docent engineer Stanislav Manias, CSC, awarded the chosen exhibits. The product's engineering characteristics, material, the merit of the product and its current position on the trade market were some of the considered criteria. From the 16 exhibits enrolled for the contest for the Grand Prix award at the For Industry Trade Fair, the Commission awarded this prize to the company Prima Bilavčík Limited for their Verth Video Check EA with the on-the-fly function. It is a multi-sensor measuring instrument for measuring deep cavities, difficult in shape, with the possibility of fast and continuous measuring while in running. Quick data processing and transfer is a distinguishing feature of this product. This award is very important because it confirms the correctness of the way we've chosen in the field of metrology, and at the same time it shows that we always have something to offer to our clients. We're always one step ahead of our competitors, and that of course means that our clients are ahead of our competitors too. Another Grand Prix award from this contest went to the Czech Technical University in Prague, to the Faculty of Mechanical Engineering for their telescopic extending unit in the screw design. The Commission appreciated this system for its modular design with wide possibilities of utilization, especially in a dimensionally limited space. In general, it could be used for any mechanical application, especially in handling techniques, robotics, also in aviation industry and in astronautics. Generally anywhere where there is a need for large working strokes, with the build-up area being limited. The Grand Prix award for the third place was awarded to the company OK Strojservice Limited for their Baltec Process Control STF1 Expert. This system gained the prize for a modern design of a riveting machine which is able to evaluate the technological processes using sensors, achieving high-quality joints. The automotive industry is the largest display group for its utilization. Before it starts molding, the machine is able to virtually measure out the components and then, according to the measuring data, adapt its program to complete the expected final product. From the 8 enrolled exhibits in the contest for the best exhibit at the trade fair For Waste 2008, the Special Commission awarded the Grand Prix Award to the company HN Logistic Systems Limited for their Ultra Lift Tippler. The Commission appreciated namely the innovative design of the split automatic tippler, ensuring high performance, safety and clean operation with a variable design for various container and gear sizes. Another prize went to the company Brickless Limited for their briquetting press HLS metal for metal splinters pressing. Briquette processing is a very convenient issue in metallurgical works as it cuts down the material burn-off and it increases the profits due to processing briquettes instead of processing just ordinary splinters. Our company managed to design a special construction which makes it possible to create high-quality briquettes using a relatively low pressure, so we're able to process a wide range of materials into briquettes. From the 7 exhibits enrolled for the contest, the Commission decided to award the Grand Prix Award within the contest of the best exhibits of the fair for Logistics 2008 to the company Replast Product Limited for their industrial floor covering, interior small 109 floor panel. This product is made of recycled PVC with a very good thermal insulation and high chemical stability, slip resistant and not easily flammable, but easy to maintain and to mount when creating a larger or smaller stress surface. Our floor covering is made of recycled electric cables, which we grind, separate the copper, aluminium and dust, and subsequently manufacture. So it is a recycling process. The floor desk compounding is very fast. This floor laid here is 200 meters squared large, and for 5 people it took 15 minutes to do, with no rush. At the fair For Waste, a prize was awarded for the exposition Top Expo. In this contest, all the expositions from the fairs For Industry, For Waste and For Logistics 2008 were assessed. The Top Expo award went to the company Prague Služby Incorporated for architectural and aesthetic production of their exposition. The most important element of the municipal services which our company offers to communities and towns is the logistics of refuse haulage, its collection and utilisation. That is why we tried hard to meet the exhibition conceptually and to show new, modern and sophisticated techniques and technologies. You can see here. I think there is a certain additional bonus in the form of vehicles fueled by CNG or compressed natural gas, which is a huge step forward. Next, you may find here new containers and the logistics of the bio-waste haulage in the capital city of Prague, which is connected to them. These simultaneous fairs, For Industry, For Waste and For Logistics 2008 only confirmed the attraction of interconnection of these significant industrial fields, not only for the exhibitors, but mostly for the visitors who could see the latest machines, instruments and technologies in operation right at the expositions. This year's fairs were the places of introduction of several Czech premieres. Modern production technologies and industrial trends were presented within the supporting programs too, topical seminars and conferences. Within the support programs, the Prague Engineering Fair let its spectators taste even some rather different exhibits. There were various works of art inspired by the world of engineering. Together with some interesting artistic photographs, the spectators were attracted by unusual three-dimensional artifacts and moving machines, which were created using the metal waste and electric engines of all kinds. The Prague Engineering Holiday, as some publicists call this traditional fair for industry, was attended by a total of 311 exhibitors from the Czech Republic and by some foreigners, which represents nearly a 50% increase compared to last year. Their exhibitions again stressed the importance of this sphere for the Czech economy and its ability to compete within Europe. It is true that the industry is disappearing from Prague. Factories where my father used to work are decreasing, and today there are banks and insurance companies instead. And just as these industrial companies are vanishing, so is the technical skill and knowledge. When meeting with the specialists, especially from Czech Technical University, I listened to their whining about the young generation not being interested in technical fields anymore, as it used to be in the past. Maybe it is partly because the young students' generation has no chance to visit the industrial companies and get acquainted related with individual industrial fields. I think this is where our industrial trade fair for industry comes right in time to present to the younger generations also this course of technical fields and technical universities. I think this is the right way, and going this way, the Czech Republic could make a fortune one day.
Že na ní Česká republika jednou zbohatne.